With this watercolor painting, I'm going to demonstrate how to balance the values and colors in a watercolor painting. In this painting, we only used 2 brushes, 3 colors. If you haven't downloaded our free watercolor guide, the simplest way to watercolor, you can get it at yongchen.gumroad.com. I'm going to use orange color. Take a look at that. I think the bottom, I'm going to have it coming down this way. Let's just put it simple. Now, this is the main shape. I may want to keep that telephone pose like this. And I have a little big shadow over here too. A blue and green color, purple color at the front. Take a look at the background. Very attractive over here like this. And very beautiful yellow-orange color. Okay, just keep that in mind that when you see the color, you have to think this is what is the value of the color. And coming down over here, I have a little bit more of the red. All right, this is the drawing. Now we're going to do the painting. The paint that we use mostly is 3 colors: Winsor & Newton Professional Grade, Winsor Yellow, Winsor Red, Winsor Blue Green shade, or the Prussian Blue. This is the Winsor Blue Red shade, or you can use the French Ultramarine. The brushes that I use, this is the calligraphy brush, this is the 1-inch flat brush. Learn about the material that I use and even getting the coupon code to get the Milan materials. Look at the video description. So I'm going to have this blue color and get the red color. Here you go. There's 2 colors. It's very, very dark. A little bit drier approach. I'm going to start from here. I'm opening up my brush so they look a little bit drier. Also make it feel like a little bit aging. Like that. Yes. Okay, and down a little bit, all the way over here. Okay, that's good. Like that. Okay, and then have a little big gap in here. I'm gonna come here to take a look at. We're gonna create some texture over here too. Now I'm gonna have a little bit lighter. Now start over here, coming down. Okay, the whole thing need to be a little bit darker than heavier than the outside. Even the light color need to be limited because you see the whole composition, the light side, a lot brighter. Right? Sometimes we do that when it's wet. Sometimes we do that after you drive. That's good. I'm going to change it to the flat brush. Okay, over here. It's so easy that you think this is actually white. It's not white. Like that. Now come onto this side. And with the purple, you can add a little bit yellow, become the brown color. So here you go, like that. Just focus on the shadow side. A little bit more blue. Okay. Continue over here. And squint your eye. Okay. Just think about the value first. You may think it says, oh, whoa, it's too dark. It may not. So I'm going to have it even darker. Try to pursue the value in the contrast. I'm going to get a little bit red, and the blue now is a lot darker. Here you go, like that. Here we go, that's good. Just come down a little bit. That's good. You see this? We create the substantial value contrast, the heaviness. You already looks pretty good. And now you come back, look at over here, it's just not even dark enough. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to just use the same color over here. Now, I'm going to come back here just to tap on it, okay, like that, and make this even stronger contrast. That's good. Now, see that it's very important to not think about much about the color, but focus on the values. We're going to make the sky just a little gray color, a little bit more reddish. I'm just going to put this color in like that. This could be interesting. Is I'm going to have also the distance. Also, I have this kind of color. I'm going to clean my brush, making sure I get the very bright yellow color. I'm just taking the yellow color. I'm not even mixing it. I may mix, but mix right on the paper. I'm going to have on this side. Very, very bright. That's good. All right. Make sure even brighter yellow. You see that? So that's how the color actually bring in the emotion. And the value create a beautiful balance and structure. I'm going to put it right at the bottom over here. Here you go. Use the large brush. Make you more willing to let go. Focus more on the larger shape. Okay, here you go. Like that. This color. A little bit more purplish color. Like that. Look at the warm and cool. The light and the emotional impact created using the color. Now I'm going to come to the green. So I'm going to take this blue, take a little bit yellow, dark. Okay, look at that. How the process would help us to go through things more in order. I use the large brush as I make the texture smoother. Okay, you see that? Very simple. And take a look at the background. So what's the gray color? We see this already kind of gray, but we don't want it to be too cool. But I'm going to just a little bit purple. Just the edge over here. Like that. Alrighty, that's good. Now I'm going to clean the brush. Building up the structure of the value and color composition. This is very important. More important than the ideas of the house, the barn, the people, the tree. The object is the connections with their own imaginations. Always think, is there's a color over here? How deep is the color? How dark is the color? How heavy is the color? Draw around the stone. Okay, like this. Okay, that's good. The top over here a little bit darker. It was stayed wet for at least 2 to 3 minutes, which is by the end I already come back. Take a little bit yellow, so it turn into a little bit brownish color. That's good. Color a little bit changing. If you want to be lighter, either add a little bit tiny more water, but I think this is pretty good. Okay, that's good. Like that. Open up my brush. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to have this. Okay, a little bit dry brush. That looks like a foil. This metal. Okay, that's good. I'm going to have this a little bit darker down over here. Going to draw a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Like that. Now we're going to get a little bit dry color. Now I'm going to take the red and the blue. Open up the brush here. And here you go. Just the corner over here. Like that. It's almost like you are not really serious and intentional. Just have the shape over here. Like that. And that's good. This is the branches. Okay, now we're going to have the dry brush of the dark green color. I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow. Okay, take a look at into this color. This is good. All right, now I'm going to have the brush open up. Here we go. Now it's going to be fun. Okay, just keep some of the gap, the shape. Okay, you don't want to loose, make it look heavy and opaque. Okay, here we go. Just the side of the brush. Okay, that's good. If you have any suggestions for the future videos, please include them in the comment. I will put them on my to-do list. We hope to continue to grow this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now and tell your friends about this video. Thank you for your support.